someone is asking, how does the cost of rent or the property purchase price factor into your decision to go with a site?
I mean, we take the rent real seriously. We negotiate it real seriously. You know, we try to explain to the landlord, and our landlords are nice people, and we try to explain to them that, we're not here to just make money for the landlord.
Mm-hmm.
We have to be profitable too. And so we also explain to them that, you want us as an anchor tenant. You want our, 3,500 square feet store that's well kept and well maintained, fully staffed, almost like a built-in security system. You want our store at your strip center. And so we take it real seriously. I'm a Excel freak myself, and I put all these numbers into the spreadsheet that we have, and we go through it and we figure out if we can make money there or not. And so it has a lot of different, we take into consideration our estimated sales, we back into what our labor is going to be, and then we can make a determination if, it's going to be the right deal for us. And right now, with the 3 lease spaces that we have, they're the right deal. And the landlord is really happy that we kind of stuck to our guns and negotiated, because he always gets his rent check early. He's very happy that we're there. But we take it real seriously. I mean, there's a lot of high rents out there, and we'll go, I don't know how anyone can be paying that kind of rent and still make a profit. And that's something that, I think it's really, you might have to walk away if it's just too much money.